Holy moly, are you kidding me? Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today's video is going to be like super exciting because it's gonna be something like semi-mystery package unboxing, guys. I know what's inside this massive package over here from MSI, but not so sure about this other box on top of it. So thing is, MSI has sent us their all new gaming chair, guys. So this was recently announced and launched in India. This is their all new Mag Series CH130 Fabric Edition gaming chair. That was totally unexpected. It's a beautiful looking chair, guys. You'll get to see that in this video. And apart from that, I'm not so sure about this particular box. What's inside this? What did you guys send me, MSI? A motherboard? GPU? Or maybe peripherals also? Not so sure. So we'll just quickly unbox this and see what's in the package. Oh, okay. As I expected, guys, we've got some brand new peripherals. There's a new keyboard, there's a mouse, and also a gaming headset. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So guys, these were the products MSI has sent us. Lots of amazing stuff. These were actually recently launched in the Indian market. We've got a brand new headset, a mouse, and a gaming keyboard as well. First, let's start with the keyboard because keyboard over here is something special. This is MSI's all new Vigor GK50 Elite Edition perky RGB lighting mechanical gaming keyboard and comes in this soda box packaging. It's a killer keyboard, guys, and definitely falls under the premium category and comes equipped with like pale blue switches. We'll talk about the switches at a later part. At the back side, you've got all of its main specs and highlights mentioned. Keyboard has like lots of hotkeys for rapid control. Perky RGB lighting is also there, comes with like pale blue switches and has like a premium metal sort of finish. So as soon as you unbox it, we've got our brand new keyboard at the top, guys, in this beautiful metallic black finish. There's also some paperwork and lastly some extra control and alt keycaps. That's it. Now let's finally have a look at the keyboard and check out the design. Oh my god, look at this beauty. Wow, definitely gives you that premium sort of feel. Look at this. The top panel is entirely made of like a brushed metallic sort of finish. You've got the MSI Dragon logo over here and has a very slim and compact profile, guys, for a full-sized keyboard. Look at this. It's got like a two-tone color finish. The top panel has like a grayish brushed metallic sort of finish while the remaining part of the keyboard is black. And the keycaps on it are also special. They're UV coated matte finished keycaps in an octagonal shape. And to the backside, guys, you've got the big MSI logo here, and as you can see, build quality of the keyboard is very nice. Looks like you've got tough polycarbonate body, and you also have some adjustable foot pads on both the sides to elevate and adjust the angle as per your convenience. And as I've told you at the beginning, it's a wired mechanical gaming keyboard, comes with a standard cable length and a gold plated USB cable on the other end. So that's it, our complete overview on the keyboard. Now let's move on to the next product, which is the mouse. So this is the Clutch GM41 ultra lightweight gaming mouse, guys. So we've already covered this like a few days ago on the channel, but that was wired edition, and this is their new wireless edition mouse that also comes with a charging dock pre-included in the package. How cool is that? Comes with this sort of black and white sort of finish. At the back, you've got all of its main highlights. The main highlight of this particular model is it's ultra lightweight, guys, only 74 grams and offers up to like 80 hours of battery life. That is pretty awesome, right? And apart from that, it's got a pretty good optical sensor. We'll talk about that in a moment. First, let me unbox and show you the product. Mouse comes nicely packed in this black box. At the top, you got some user manual. Make sure to read that. And there you go, boys, our brand new Clutch GM41 wireless edition in the hand. Black edition, guys, and look at this. Oh boy. As usual, guys, MSI does some pretty good job, and first thing that I have to say is the weight. It's absolutely lightweight, guys, only 74 grams. Keeping that aside, here's that special dock I was talking about, charging dock for the mouse. You don't need to, every time connect the cable and charge it. Just place the mouse on top of this dock just like this, and that is it, guys. The mouse will start charging. Like how easy and convenient that is. And looks like it's also magnetic as well, so it properly connects to those charging contacts on the stand. And in the dock itself, you also have a slot to place the USB dongle. That is pretty nice, so you don't lose that dongle when you're using it. And overall build quality is also pretty good. Just like the mouse, even the dock is entirely made of polycarbonate material. and here's the cable for the same. So you can use the mouse in both wired or wireless mode as per your choice and convenience. Now let me give you a closer look at the mouse and talk about the design and build quality. This is exactly the same mouse, guys. Only thing is it's wireless edition. It's got that ambidextrous design, RGB illuminated MSI Dragon logo over here, and as usual feels quite comfortable when you hold it in the hand. You've got your left and right clicks over here, armor on switches on board, and you also have special left and right click buttons available as well for forward and back. And love this diamond like pattern on the left and right, guys, for extra grip while using it. And here's how the mouse looks from the bottom. You've got this nice white colored PTFE mouse feet for super frictionless movement on the surface. There's a DPI adjust button over here, power button for wireless mode, and at the top you've got a micro USB port to either charge it or use it in the wired mode. Choice is up to you. Now let's finally move on and check out the gaming headset as well. So this is the headset I was talking about. This is also their new model GH50. Talking about the main features, as I've told you guys, comes with like 40mm neodymium drivers on board. Microphone is detachable and has like a dedicated 7.1 channel adapter included in the package. Let's quickly unbox and check out the headset. There you go. As soon as you open it, we got the headset at the top in this beautiful grayish black sort of finish. Let me just remove the stickers, and this is how the headset looks like. Okay, not bad, looks pretty decent itself. You got the MSI Dragon logo on both the sides, and it's a wired gaming headset as you can see. Along with that, you also have a packet of accessories which includes a free carry case for the headset, fabric made, and a detachable microphone for the headset. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look and show you how the headset looks like. So there you go, boys. Here's how the headset looks like. Pretty simple looking headset, guys. Nothing special over here. You've got the MSI Dragon logo on both the ear cups, and the ear cups is where you've got the RGB lighting as well. And the headset is also like fully adjustable. Headband can be expanded like this. You've got like a metallic frame on the inside for like good durability and strength. Padding also seems nice on both the headband as well as the ear cups. Looks like we've got like memory foam over here. Feels quite soft and durable. No buttons, nothing over here. Just one port to connect the microphone. That's it. And here's the cable of the headset, non-detachable, as you can see, comes with a standard length. And remember I told you it's got like 7.1 adapter on board. You got that present in this inline adapter only, guys. Look at this, you got all the controls over here. So there's a special slide switch over here to toggle vibration modes, 7.1 on off, and also a special mic mute button is also available. These are all the buttons and controls available on the adapter. And at the end you've got a gold plated USB 3.0 cable. So after 25 minutes of assembling, there you go, our brand new gaming chair has been fully assembled, and this is how it looks like. MSI CH130 fabric edition in the house, and this is my first gaming chair that is made out of fabric, guys. I think I've had around like 10-15 gaming chairs in the past, and this is the first one that has a fabric sort of material, and I actually kind of like the feel, you know. It's quite soft and very cushiony as well. Best part about having fabric material is it's all breathable, guys. So when you're doing like long sessions of gaming, right, you don't need to worry about sweat because the air circulation, everything happens nicely over here and helps you for like longer sessions of gaming. And one more added benefit is durability. Complete fabric material, right? There is nothing to get damaged or, you know, or patches of material coming out like those artificial leather chairs, guys. Keeping that aside, look at my whole setup. I've given my setup as well a complete upgrade, and I've already included those brand new MSI gaming peripherals also. Keyboard, mouse, and headset is also right over here, and I've been using them for quite some time. Keeping all of these peripherals aside, thing I'm really excited to talk about is my brand new gaming chair from MSI, the CH130 fabric edition gaming chair. This is a new model that was recently launched in the Indian market, and is slightly on the expensive side because it's a premium gaming chair, guys. First thing I have to talk about is the design. Look at the chair, guys. It's got a beautiful race inspired bucket seat design and comes in like 2 to 3 different color options. We have the gray edition today with black accents everywhere, and that too, the black is in like carbon fiber finish. Look at this. I'll give you a closer look and show you. I love the attention to detail MSI has given over here. Now talking about the build quality, chair has a complete steel construction from top to bottom, guys, and has a solid 5-spoked wheelbase on the bottom. with double caster wheels, guys. Good quality materials they've used. But the main highlight of this chair is that fabric material, guys. Usually most of the gaming chairs in the market have this artificial resin sort of feel, guys, and what happens is when you sit on them, right, they're not that comfortable. You sweat a lot if you're especially doing like long sessions of gaming, especially in summer. That you don't need to worry over here because it's completely like fabric material, and best part is it's like breathable, guys, so there's a lot of air circulation happening, right? So you don't sweat that much on this chair, and you can easily do longer sessions over here. So I've sat in like so many gaming chairs, right? As soon as I sit on a chair, I immediately get to know like how is the comfort level on this thing, and comfort level on this thing is actually pretty good, guys. Cushioning on this thing is like quite thick and offers like a very soft and comfortable experience when you sit on it, and you'll be like quite satisfied with the padding also, guys. And if you talk about the armrest, so armrest on this thing is like 2D adjustable, I believe. You can easily adjust the height of the armrest like this, and you can even move it forward and backward just like this, but unfortunately there is no option to swivel them, guys. And also my previous gaming chair actually had like padding on the handles also, so I really wish MSI can add those padding soft spongy cushions on the armrests as well, maybe in the next model. Apart from that, as usual, you do have like a headrest and lumbar support available, placed at a very good position. They definitely do their job and give you maximum comfort while you're sitting. And if you talk about the tilting and reclinability, so this chair offers up to like 150 degrees, I believe. You've got a lever to the right side over here, just push that upside and you can go up to like 150 degrees back, guys. So if you want to take like small naps in between gaming sessions, you can easily do that, and it's like quite relaxing, guys. Butterfly mechanism offers like extra 15 degrees, so totally you can expect up to like 165 degrees to the back, so you can completely fall asleep and take like quick breaks in between your gaming sessions. So that is pretty much it, guys. What do you think about my brand new gaming chair from MSI, the Fabric Edition CH130? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you talk about the pricing, as I've told you, chair is slightly on the expensive side. It costs almost like 28,000 or 28,500 in the Indian market. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. Apart from these, if you have any other questions or would you like to know about any of these peripherals, let me know and I'll definitely cover them in the review video. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out this cool stuff. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.